All right, so got our plenum back on. Got all of our vacuum lines here. Passenger side handled.
Swap the wheels.
Gotta get that done. Got one more bolt here to do. Got to bolt down our cables. Cable bracket. And then I have to fix that one thing that broke. Which is pretty easy.
What'd you break?
It broke when Scotty took it apart. It came apart.
What broke?
Piece of plastic. But I ordered the new thing for that, so no big deal. It's easy. Quick, easy, done. No big deal. Alright, coming together. All right, everything's reassembled. Under hood, looking good. I'll fire it up, let it run a little bit. Alright, new fuel pump. New fuel pressure regulator. There we go. Up and running.